In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Binance from a Google search, open the login page, sign in using your Google account, and confirm you're in the right place safely and smoothly. To start, open your web browser and head to Google. Type Binance into the search bar. On the results page, look for the official Binance website. Before you click, take a second to verify the URL shows Binance.com and that your browser displays a secure lock icon. This quick check helps you avoid spoofed pages or misleading ads. If your country has a localized version, that's fine too. Just make sure it's clearly part of the Binance.com domain. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look toward the top right corner and choose Login. This takes you to the main sign-in screen. If you're on a smaller display or a mobile browser, you may need to open the menu first to see the Login option. On the Login page, choose Continue with Google. This uses Google's secure sign-in, so you won't enter a Binance password directly. If your browser asks to open a pop-up or a new window, allow it. The Google prompt needs that to proceed. You'll now see the Google account chooser. Select the Google account you want to use for Binance. If your account isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and sign into Google as usual. Depending on your setup, you may see a brief consent screen explaining what information is shared, typically your basic profile and email, so review and confirm. If you use multi-factor authentication on your Google account, complete that step to finish the sign-in securely. After confirming, you'll be redirected back to Binance. If this is your first time connecting Google to Binance, you might be asked to review terms or finalize basic profile details. If you've already linked your account, you should land on your dashboard. If Binance prompts for additional verification, such as two-factor authentication you've enabled on your Binance profile, follow the on-screen instructions. A few quick tips if something doesn't work. Ensure you're connected to a stable network, disable any overly aggressive pop-up blockers for this session, and try a refresh if the redirect stalls. If you're using a work or school Google account, your organization might limit third-party sign-ins. Switching to a personal Google account can resolve that. And always sign out on shared devices when you're done. That's it. Google search to Binance, log in, continue with Google, and select your Google account. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.